Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Windows 11 lagging on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, what you have to do is make sure all the background apps are off because your PC is mainly lagging because background apps are eating your resources. Because as you can see, nothing is running, but still there are some apps running in the background which are eating up my resources. To check that, what I need to do is just open my task manager. To do that, just click on the taskbar, right click on it, and then just simply click on Task Manager. Or just go to your taskbar and type Task Manager. And from Best Matches, just open it. Then just expand this. Then in here, the processes section, as you can see, it is using my resources. All the apps that are using my resources, you can see listed here. Now, Windows normally turns on some app automatically whenever you restart your PC or rather you start your PC. Now, to turn those off, just go here. Just go to Startup Apps. Then from here, make sure that the startup apps are disabled. As you can see, I have disabled most of them. You should disable the ones that you don't need on startup. And after doing that, what you need to do is go to Search again. Search for View Advanced System Settings and just open this. Then from here, under Performance, just click on Settings. Now, I'm not gonna change anything from here because my PC is not lagging, but you should select the third option from here, Adjust for Best Performance. Click on OK, click on Apply. Click on OK again. Then just go ahead and restart your PC and your PC should be okay. And that is how to fix Windows 11 lagging or slow problem. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.